Hello, question 20. For the given circuit, switch W1 closed at time t higher than 5 time constant and capacitor fully charged as shown in the figure. When switch SW1 open and SW switch 2 close simultaneously at time t equal to 0 second, calculate how long will a capacitor take to discharge up to 3.68 coulomb. Solution: we redraw the circuit for discharge. Switch to closed. Time constant of discharge T equal to R2 multiplied by C equal to 10 seconds. Capacitor C full charge at time t higher than 5t. This Q0 equal to CV equal to 10 microcoulomb. Let after t seconds charge of capacitor Q equal to 3.68 microcoulomb. The formula for Q equal to Q0 multiplied by E raised to power minus T upon time constant T. After solving this equation, we found the time required T equal to 1 time constant or T equal to 10 seconds. Okay, thank you.